In today's world, most organizations have a workforce that is mobile, remote, hybrid with cloud applications and data distributed across various environments and devices connecting from multiple locations. Without a strong security model, these factors can inadvertently result in a significant security breach. The zero trust approach effectively tackles the security challenges arising from this ever changing digital landscape. The zero trust security model is a comprehensive approach to cybersecurity that centers on the beliefs that threats can come from both outside and inside the network. It fundamentally shifts the security mindset from assuming that everything inside an organization networks can be trusted to a never trust, always verify approach. The zero trust security framework is built on three key principles that provide multiple layers of defense. You might find more principles as you explore more, and it seems some vendors have their own definition of it, and that is fine. The principles that you see outlined here is taken from the standard Microsoft best practice guidance, and we will stick to it during this course. First zero trust principle is verify explicitly. In line with this principle, zero trust requires rigorous identity verification for every user and device trying to access resources. This verification process is continuous and often occurs at multiple levels, which ensures constant monitoring and validation of access. It does not matter whether you are an internal employee or external user accessing organization resources. Second zero trust principle is apply least privilege access. Certainly, the principle of least privilege ensures that user access is minimized with just in time and just enough access. This means granting access only to authorized users or for specific tasks and for the minimum time necessary. This principle advises that there should be no standing access for the user identities, but may not be applicable in all the cases. Note that when it comes to headless identities, you have to manage it a bit differently than human identities. And third zero trust principle is assume breach. This principle operates under the assumption that attackers are already in your network and are attempting to move laterally to gather more information. It adopts a denial approach, using real-time monitoring to evaluate every request against known behaviors to limit and control access. The assume breach mindset focuses on creating necessary segregation of access to contain potential damage to a small area, thereby minimizing the overall impact on your business. In short, zero trust security model represents a paradigm shift in how organizations approach cybersecurity. By assuming that threats can come from anywhere and enforcing strict access controls and continuous monitoring, zero trust aims to protect sensitive data and systems more effectively in an increasingly complex and hostile threat landscape.